Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Okay. Last in this week, last 2 days, I taught you house. Chapter number 3. Houses we live in. Today, I will give you a brief summary of that chapter. Okay. Chapter number 3. Houses we live in. Okay. What is a house, students? I told you. A house is a place where we live. What is a house? All of you speak with me, along with me. A place where we live. House is a place where we live. Why we need house? Yes, come on, tell me. Why we need house? All of you speak along with me. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind, and animals and thieves also. Okay. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wind, animals and thieves also. Okay. There are two types of houses. Strong house or pakka house, weak house, kacha house. Okay. Strong house, pakka house. Pakka house made of bricks, cement, iron. Okay. Kacha house is known as weak house. It is made of mud, straw and gum. Okay. Let's see in details types of houses. Okay. Two types of houses. I told you there are two types of houses. Kacha house or pakka house. Sorry, kacha house and pakka house. Kacha house is known as weak house. Pakka house is known as strong house. Okay. Strong houses made of bricks, cement and iron. Okay. Weak houses made of mud, straw and bamboo. Understand? Examples of strong houses: bungalows, flats, farmhouses, apartment. Okay. Examples of kacha house or weak house: hut is made of mud and straw. Igloo is made of snow. We found it in very cold region. Okay, North Pole and North Pole. Sorry, North Pole. Houseboat is mostly found in Kashmir and Kerala. Okay, it is known as floating house because on water houseboat. Tent is made of cloths. We can carry easily anywhere. Stilt is made of bamboo. Where lots of rain, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है वहाँ पे स्टिल्स बनाते हैं. Caravan is known as house of wheel. Okay. ये भी आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह आसानी से जा सकते हैं. Strong houses is known as permanent house. ये क्या है? परमानेंट हाउस है. ये आपका कभी भी स्टॉर्म में या अर्थक्वेक आ रहा है तो इजीली ब्रेक नहीं कर सकता, इजीली ये टूट नहीं सकता. लेकिन जस्ट अपोजिट वीक हाउस क्या है? टेम्पोररी हाउसेस. आसानी से ये टूट जाते हैं. अगर तेज हवा आ रही है, बाढ़ आया, भूकंप आया तो ये क्या होगा? ये टूट जाएगा, ब्रेक कर जाएगा. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? So there are how many types of houses? Two types. Strong house and weak house. Strong house made of, yes, come on, tell me, bricks, cement, iron. Weak house made of mud, straw, bamboo. Examples of weak house, yes, hut, very good, igloo, houseboat, tent, stills, caravan. Okay. Examples of strong house: bungalow, flats, apartment. Okay. A strong house is known as permanent house and weak house is known as temporary house. Understand? Okay. I told you a house between house and home? I told you, students. Yes? Come on, tell me. Let's see. Okay. Look at the blackboard. Differences between home and house. Home means भी घर और house means भी लोग घर कहते हैं. तो क्या अंतर है? चलिए. Look here. Home. We live with our family. Home में क्या है? हम अपनी परिवार के साथ रहते हैं. कैसे रहते हैं? With love. प्यार से. Okay. Home means we live with our family. In home we live with our family. Mother, father, grandparents. Okay. Cousins, uncle, aunts. House. House means क्या होता है? People live in house. House means हिंदी में हम कह सकते हैं मकान. और होम मीन्स घर. आप कहते हैं ना माई स्वीट होम. आप कहते हैं माई स्वीट हाउस. नो ना. क्या कहते हैं? माई स्वीट होम. स्वीट होम. ओके. सो दिस इज द मेन डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन होम एंड हाउस. ओके. ऑल ऑफ यू once again look here. We live with our family. In home we live with our family, but in house people live. हाउस में क्या हो सकता है? लोग रहते हैं, लेकिन वो आपके परिवार के भी हो सकते हो, नहीं भी हो सकते हैं. ओके. बट घर में क्या है? हम अपने परिवार के साथ रहते हैं. कैसे रहते हैं? विथ लव. प्यार से. ओके. ओके. नेक्स्ट. ओके. लेट्स डू एन एक्टिविटी. आई हैव ऑलरेडी ड्रॉन एन हट. मैंने यहाँ पे हट ऑलरेडी ड्रॉ किया हुआ है. नाउ आई विल टीच यू हाउ टू ड्रॉ tent. All of you do in your rough copy. First all of you draw in your rough copy, then do it SST fair copy. Okay. Look at the blackboard. Take out your pencil and eraser also. Okay. Draw slanting line like this. Okay. Two slanting line like this. Then square. Draw square. Have you done? Draw a straight line, then down, then like this draw line. Again match, draw this line. Okay. Then curved line like this, and here draw line like this. Okay. Okay. टेंट इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कच्चा हाउस. टेंट क्या होता है? कपड़े का होता है, क्लोथ्स का होता है, कैनवस. तो अगर हम टेंट को अपने टाई नहीं करेंगे तो हमारा टेंट क्या आएगा? जब तेज हवा चलेगी तो हमारा टेंट उड़ जाएगा. इसीलिए हम टेंट को टाई करेंगे. ओके. नाउ ड्रॉ अ डोर. Entrance like this. A circle for window. Okay. Now some designs. At your wish, you can draw anytime. Our tent is ready. Okay, students. All of you practice it in your rough copy. And this is hut. I have already drawn. But so two slanting lines, then line like this, then square, door and window. Okay. So this is tent and this is hut. You can draw in your SST notebook. Write chapter first. All of you write chapter number 3. Houses we live in. Then draw a tent or a hut. Anyone as your wish. Okay. And color it also. Okay. Now it's time to leave. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.